Yes. You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You don't know what they are with the talented vibe scheme. Don't stop. You understand what the other one?
Jajay. Wessie. You know, give me no TRN. I know me in a X5. Hee-hoo. Go damn shit. Wessie. Me see your pan pink koala, I call up me name. My friend them bad. Lava. Me here say you have something for give me. Me number 487. Rise dirty.
Yo, as we say, you talented, you talented.
Harry Potter must not go back to Hogwarts this year.
Youth, how is the blood clot the youth?
Blue punch
battle.
Yeah, man, yo. So yeah, say I go on now.
Yeah, so yeah, bro, me do an interview with the Real Dawg, bro. You see that?
Brother, if you don't see that, you live on the rock. Anybody not see that live on the rock, my
That
G?
was crazy.
Everybody's supposed to see that. You know, I go interview Lava next. Lava they too far.
Like I reach out to Lava and probably do like if him accept because after this me ask Slick if Slick want to do an interview and the dog say, oh, me not doing an interview.
Yeah, but Slick a pre you.
I don't know, bro. He said he's not, but you see me?
Me feel like Slick a pre you because you say you're virgin.
I would think so.
I say you would think so. But I have the word diplomatic. Anyways,
I would think so. But if me do an interview with a man and a man have some choice words for you, yeah. I call you and let you know, yo, XYZ, and then me come out and ask you, say, yo, bro, give me an interview, bro, because people want to hear your side. Just like when we do video about Tavi, people want to hear Tavi's side. We do a video about Lava, people want to hear Lava's side. So me knowing you're the easiest one I can reach. Yeah, bro, let's do an interview. Yeah. Dawg say, oh, now do an interview. See him just like that. You see me?
I think maybe alright, you can look at probably can look on like 2 years. Maybe him don't want to dwell upon the topic. Or maybe him a pre because me just say it look like him a pre because probably in other mode they him that expect if he say more than what you say, rather than if just remain neutral. I think you did the right by remaining just staying neutral.
Any normal person would.
Yeah, but
what were you supposed to do? Thump World Dawg name out?
Yeah. Yeah, thump like what as a pussy at this Slick White Line youth.
Bro, if that was Slick White Line, if I was interviewing Slick White Line and Slick White Line talk about World Dawg, come on World Dawg before Slick White Line. So
but you'd appear to him say it would appear as though you and Slick closer than how you and World Dawg link.
Yes, because we live in the same state.
Okay.
But what me I say is, if that was Slick White Line and Slick White Line was talking about World Dawg, I would have remained just as neutral.
Yo, you stay? Alright, I cut you. You stay like? You stay focused in that interview there? Cause it's like World Dawg just
one full of energy.
Man say yo. Me say Lava go pan stage, you know, and big up some of me enemy them, you know. Hey man, big up me enemy them, you know, man. You know, Lava is a little instigator, you know. Lava, you pussy. Chat and Lava go straight a go. I swear. Man, kiss all this. Yo, me know, yo, man, full of energy, dog. But you could have say you need hurt, you know. Yo,
man, hurt, brother.
Him on the dirt, cause as me say, I don't know him personally. It's just me talk over social media.
Yeah.
But me pick up energy and it just seem like I want real youth.
Yeah.
You see me? And nobody's perfect, but
I would think so too, bro.
You see me?
I believe he is, bro. You see me? It's just that certain situations that, you know, cause people love Lava. You have some Lava fans, them genuinely love him.
Lava.
You see me? But then no.
Me not think say should I reach where I reach.
Bro, it's never that deep.
I think it's probably some misunderstanding too.
Of course. Of
See me?
course.
Because I guess when you reach from a certain level like World Dog now, there's a lot of things that come at you. Come off of your head back on them way. You see me?
Facts.
So, I feel like, me personally, cause I look like say, yo, him just see certain things and him observe certain things and then him just say, yo, lava ya pussy.
Yeah.
That's how me get. That's how me get from him.
Yeah.
You see me? But even with the thing with Slick White Line, I don't think it should really go so far because I mean I say we're like that try for this Slick.
Yeah. I said that in a video I did yesterday. Like, I don't think it was that serious either.
You know if them having anything prior to this?
No, because to my knowledge, them was friend.
To me, you see, if
And I think they're still friends because them still a follow one another, but the beef dead no, I think.
I think even if somebody like Dino Crazy or World Dog, you know things with Dino Crazy, for example, or World Dog, or with the brother the name, man, the brother man, shit, 1.6 million followers, man, the big
Major hype. Okay.
Major hype, shit. Yeah. For certain people will have certain platform, you want them in that things. Me think it only a push you.
Yeah.
This only a push Slick.
Oh yes, definitely.
And the banter between the two of them, it only push Slick more because Slick. World Dog drops it, Slick drop back it, World Dog drops it, Slick drops it.
Just like
it become like a music, but
yeah.
But it's like, you know, at the end of the day, come on.
Yeah.
It's simple.
It's never that serious. Cause you have some people that say, "Oh, him this Slick," and they have some people that say, "Him never this Slick." The man that say, "You know what I mean? Slick can do better."
But I think him and Lava need to fix anything though. Cause I really him Lava him Messi
Push,
Lava.
chat and laugh.
Yeah. Him
You
and
see me?
pretty done.
Yeah, because a lot of bro, when we check the comments, them bro, a lot of people that say him and pretty. So it's like when the dog a vent, bro, you can't, bro. The man literally shake the room, bro.
Yeah. Yo, dog.
The man
Yo,
shake
man,
the
yo,
room.
but think man don't thump you in a fear mouth, you know. Think man don't look for you and say, yo, pussy a favor lava, you know. Come, hey, yo, man.
The man say, lava get carried away.
Lava.
He don't
get
have a
carried
work to
away.
prove.
But I say, lava get carried away. Lava is not a star. You can't go in our place where sell car. We sell car. I want. When say I want.
The man say you can't compete with somebody who make car, you
Make
buy
car.
one.
And you buy one. And me, I'm pretty done. Put lava upon the map.
That's exactly what the man going, especially when he goes so. I'm looking talk, I look over.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm a foot dead.
No. Yo, man, different, yeah, man. So
Man say, lava is not a star. He don't have a work to prove.
Yo.
Buckler, brother. Alone dead me a dead, brother. It's like, bro, there are so many points where I wanted to laugh, but I couldn't laugh, brother. I can't laugh because people don't already say I'm a bias when it comes to World Dog. You see me? Just because I know him. It would have been like you. Them same people where comment, them don't know our history. Because if it was them and for them friend, of course you're gonna like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I try to be diplomatic, bro.
Yeah,
because at the end of the day, I don't want, if me go supposed to boom and reach out to Lava, no, Lava I say no, you're biased, you're pussy. Or me go to boom and reach out to Slick, and Slick I say no, you're pussy. I try to remain on the straight and narrow.
Yeah.
Because
As you should.
Yeah. Bro, I one side me a pick and I Imara Nation, brother.
Yeah, man, crazy clan out there.
Straight up and crazy clan. Because me I work with who I work with, me, brother. Yeah. Me not like no conflict and them thing, bro. Me stay away from that, brother. That's why me even done the trap thing just as like when she stop running farm out, me just leave it alone.
But as for me, you know, because I think I do have a lot of supporters, and some of them I have supporters and I have followers.
Yeah.
And I think there's a difference.
Of course.
Followers, Missy. So for example, sometimes Pink Wall post my video. 6 Wave quest them page there. And then tear me down over there. And you know what weird one day. That's why me see Jeffrey say what he say. You can't take internet serious more because me see somebody will follow me. Somebody say King Tavilliam. And somebody will follow me, tag me in the meme. And I say, like them would say, oh, me lame too. Somebody will follow me. So why you follow me and I go say me lame?
Bro, cause them I watch for your downfall, brother.
So you see rather than for go but you see rather than for just go on a cuss and go on and disrespect anybody, me go in our DM, me take a different approach.
Yeah.
Oh, me never it never that serious and it never really but how it all look. You see me? Cause brother, me get a fight, bad man. You know, me realize say when me do a video, you know, but me personally, me not think up to par, me get me fight. But you see when time me video them shot, everybody quiet. I mean, I understand that.
This, I guess, you know, them have an expectation, you know, them think you're supposed to always be up with the thing, you see me? Which is
I think this is, I think you have to get people to love you.
Yeah, definitely.
And then no matter what you do, it's like for example, World Dawg. People love World Dawg.
Yeah.
People love the brand World Dawg.
Yeah.
So no matter what World Dawg do, it also laugh because a World Dawg.
Facts. You see me? And the same thing with some of them people, bro. You know, bro, dude, that's the reason why your video them have more views than likes. You see me? Because them see it. But you know, because them don't genuinely fuck with you, they're not gonna double tap on that bitch. They're not going to because they don't, bro.
And that's good with me now.
When more, so it's always good with me too. It's especially over here. So you know, someone using Instagram like that. Come over here, so come bash me. Come over here, so because you have to watch this rascal video. I have to comment on it, and the more you comment and dislike it too. Hey, sometimes I dislike my own videos too. I do. Because you want to know why? Me I show and say, well, you can do, me can do it too. So come over here and comment all your bull crap. Because at the end of the day, I will get at least 10 comments out of you. I genuinely like to argue. So when time I go to woman we argue, me I get at least 10, 15 comments out of you. Because when time I go to woman comment section, 320 comments, 400 comments, thank you.
Brother.
Thank you. That's help push my video.
Exactly. These days, bro.
I embrace the hate.
Yeah.
When time when you hate for me, but just get stronger, so.
Come see them a mash you up on TikTok, but me, for example, there's certain instances where me want, but me have to, you know?
Yeah. Bro, I've been doing this for 4 years now, brother. And it's like, this is the year where me I say money right now.
Yeah, facts.
So, I bet on the bash me in them 3 years they were gone. I don't miss an opportunity. Maybe when I feel some type of way. Yeah. No, I don't.
Yeah, I'm over certain things, like, even after the interview, I probably get a whole heap of heat.
But I move them bomb buckler.
But as me say, if I did one time, I'd say, oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh God, people are married. No, brother. What you want to do, man? So what you want to say?
And as I said before, a lot of these people who have the most negative shit to say, bruh, they don't have nothing going on in their life. Someone they behind on the camera, stay so. Someone they behind on the camera, stay so. A type. You know, some blood clot, mash up house. True. I wanna style nobody were poor and them thing, but that's the reason why you're so full of hate. How about you apply yourself with the same amount of energy where it take for eat somebody and apply that to different aspects of your life. Mm-hmm. So I'm saying? You know, I don't compete with nobody. You know who I compete with? I compete with the yesterday me. How can I beat this nigga yesterday? Oh, I'm gonna create 2 more videos than I did the day before. I'm gonna create 3 more videos than the day before. I'm gonna work out harder at the gym than yesterday.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's who I compete with. Because some of them people will only claim hot.
Not.
Okay.
It's hot.
But it's not. Load up that belly pan belly one.
Easy.
So
I guess all in all, bro. Well, first let me just want to say respect if you reach out and
say a word, brother. I say a word.
The Imara Nation, you support the thing, see me.
Yeah, man. Big up
even
clan.
Me myself, me realize, you know, no say clan. You say clan, people go say, oh man, King Tough, crazy clan. Crazy clan.
Yes.
And at them name themselves. So, but anyways, differently still. All in all, let me say respect.
Yeah.
Respect for the strength, because you know me get a strength out of the same way.
Yes.
Yeah, people. Just want to continue support me, continue support the content. Is what me I say.
Support real content.
Yeah, I know I'm not the most interactive person. You know, see me I go live and rare whatever, but I really have a whole nother life. I try to just put together same way. So I say.
Yes, I.
But enough love, enough respect. Me say people link me from England, Pakistan.
I was about to ask you like your England link supposed to big bro because of Jimmy, right?
England, Pakistan,
Damn.
Italy,
Damn.
Guyana.
Daddy.
Then love me a Guyana. Guyana, Trinidad, St. Vincent. Come used to do what the girl name? Jadata.
Yes.
Yeah, so people start pre-thing from St. Vincent because of Jadata.
I'm the paradise bird. These hoes are drunk crows. I be winning. I got the flow on the image. I got the banks in the minutes. Yo.
But yo, anyways.
Talented youth.
Respect everybody.
Where them can find you?
Oh yeah, the social vibe scheme VYBZKEEM _ that is on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube is the without the underscore. So you see I'm spelling VYBZKEEM without the underscore.
Yeah.
And just want to say again, big up Chabas. Chabas, I hope we can, link up same way, me G, because, I a real G, you see me?
And
I don't know what they done, but big up same way.
You said Chabas, I'm going to get Chabas on the podcast too. We spoke already. So, yo, Chabas, big up yourself.
Chabas, hit me up, bro. Big ass straight, no Chabas. Big ass straight, love me, G.
I'm going to send this clip to him.
Even if you don't give me a strength, that's how you go still alive. You can't live a life that depend on people, you see me?
True.
You see me? So, big up yourself, Chabas. Big up yourself, Negus. Me say, able boss, me respect your work ethic, bad man.
Crazy work ethic.
Able boss. Big up yourself. You see what me
Facts.
Big up man like World Dawg, same way. World Dawg, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You see me? Big up, respect everybody who respect me, respect everybody who respect my craft. You see what I say? Enough love, Roro. Mommy, me love you. You see me?
Mommy is always the beat of our heart.
Yeah, man, me love mommy, man.
Who me a big up? I just want to big up everybody who like me. You see me? If you don't like me, go suck your mother.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Man, I beg no friend from none of them. Moving the bomb buckler.
Freaks.
None of them.
Freaks, big up yourself. My one sister, I love you.
How would that?
Say, my little sister.
Oh.
Go up on my page already. Yeah, big up yourself, Freaks. Big up to everybody who fuck with Crazy Clan. You go and cuss them now.
Yeah, moving the bomb buckler, man. I move and go from it. I need nothing from none of them. No, man never help me buy my things. Never put my body over on a blood clot counter. Any man who knows me, fuck, I go find him. Moving a blood clot. Lava phone. I'm not talking about lava sound. Lava phone, lone brimstone on fire. Lone brimstone on fire. I love it. Bring the 8 come and comment underneath the video.
Yeah.
And dislike it to cause that help push it in that algorithm. Anything you do on the video, it help it.
And Baba J a pussy.
Damn, yo, on that note. Big interview. Bumba, them dead.